I was wondering why the cats are so curious. There's another visitor. It's a baby, very small monitor lizard. Here. So I asked my vet and he said they don't bite. Grab him by the tail. So I want to put him into this box. Hope I can do it and take him to a place where there's water. Perhaps Jeevannahoy, the lake. And there's a forest area there. And release him into the woods. Otherwise he'll be killed by crows. Actually, I'm quite nervous trying to grab him by the tail. So what I'm trying to do is try to tempt him with this fish onto the pan and then put him onto the basket. Hope that works. When he's not panicking, I think I can lift him up quietly. I think that's the best way. Yes, got that done. He's in there. Now, yes, I'll give him some meat as well, so he won't starve. And just hang in there till evening. Just hang in there till darkness falls, little guy. So I'm so glad he came in nicely. Okay, never been in a cage. Well, get used to it, at least for a few hours, and I'll get you back into the woods. Right, Puss? As if we don't have enough work already. Okay, I have brought him into the backyard here near the water tap where it's cooler and the sun won't get to him. I'm going to keep an eye on him during the day. I put in a little meat inside. It has not touched, but the food is there. If he wants, it's cooked, so maybe I put in a little bit of raw meat in a while and see. He is trying to get out. He wants to, there. He wants to come out. No, but you stay in there, okay? And I put in just a little bit of water at the bottom because I don't want him to get dehydrated. I really don't know how to go about this. I'm just assuming he's an aquatic creature. There. Be patient, okay? And I'm putting a weight on top here so that there are no predator who can bite through this and get to him. So he'll be okay. No birds, no crows, not even an eagle. Sometimes you see them up there. on the sky, but no eagles in sight. Okay, so I'm thinking of everything here for his benefit, for his safety, and just hanging there, little guy, till evening falls. So last night I took him and left him in a safe place, wooded area, and now I got to watch this. So the baby monitor lizard was with me the whole day, and it was more of a problem for me, I think, than for him. Obviously, he didn't like it being kept in a cage, but for me the problem was I didn't know much about these reptiles. It's a reptile, and they are cold-blooded animals, which means that they can't produce heat like we do, body heat, and they depend on their surroundings to keep warm. So I don't know how being kept in a cage would have affected him. And funny, in the afternoon I found him hanging upside down from the lid. So maybe that's a mechanism for maintaining body temperature, I have no idea. But I was really very worried, because that if he died, the whole exercise would have been pointless, and I would have felt bad. But luckily he was okay, and he didn't eat anything except for a small piece of meat, maybe, I'm not sure, raw meat, the raw fish, the cooked meat. He didn't touch anything else. So maybe he wanted his freedom more than food. And maybe they can survive without food for days. That's how they survive in the wild. So in the evening, it rained very hard. So after the rain, it was pretty dark. So it was night, around 9 p.m. when I went out. So the only wooded area I can think of is near a lake. That is near the Parliament, but that's heavily guarded. So I went in by scooter, carrying him in the box, and he was still clinging to a side of the box, and this whole place is guarded. I couldn't see anyone, but the moment I parked my bike by the roadside, an armed special task force trooper came out and asked what I was doing. So I showed him the box and explained that I need to release this baby monitor lizard and into the wild, and he was pretty happy with that answer. So he said okay, and he flashed his torch, his flashlight, into the box just to make sure. And so I opened the lid, and he walked out to freedom. So that's great. And that place is no crows or no dogs can get to him, so he should be safe. So that's the end of one happy story, but I just hope I don't feel another one this morning. I mean, I've had enough for a day. If you are happy with this video, please subscribe.